All right, Daniel. Quick PDM overlay layout video. There's all our documentation and engineering. You can see each position has a designated spot. It's places where they go, what pins are in them. This is, let's see, we'll start at the front. That plugs into the PDM. This is a PDM 30 loom. We use a PDM 30 loom for everything. And if you opt to use a PDM 15, you just have some outputs that you don't have functionality with. No big deal. If you ever wanted to change later, hey, guess what? Everything's already wired in. This is wiper park and front spares. This goes to the front. This M1 can, it communicates right to the ECU. This guy here is M1 auxiliary stuff, so that's a pass-through. Basically allows you to integrate right into the M1. This is all power stuff. So power would contain everything necessary for, what would power contain?
That's what powers the M1 as well as
Okay, yeah.
LTC as well.
M1, LTC is all powered through there, so those are outputs. Coming over here, this is our front bulkhead. So this is a sub loom that we build in-house. Could be headlights, could be fan control, could be a number of things. V-box that is already ready to go. Plug in your V-box, it's got power, ground, and CAN. This is comms. This is the programming cable for the PDM. Keypad, plugs right in the keypad. Dash, this is terminated right to the Motorsports track harness dash from Motec, so just plugs right in, makes life easy. If you ever decide to go paddle inputs are there. Defrost fan output. Going to the back, obviously you can see that this, if you're looking from the driver's seat, right, this is the tranny tunnel, passenger side up against their leg. Shift strain, again, that's a pass-through for the M1. Air compressor, if you decide to have paddles. This is ground, big ground going to the chassis. There's a tunnel ground right there. Helmet blower. This is driver cooling. So this could be used to relay for chill out, or you can run a cool shirt, the low amp deal, and there's also a drink bottle output here. Rear spares, this contains some outputs. Fuel spares contains more outputs depending on how you want to do it. Long ground, EC ground, it's basically cut to terminate. Fuel sub harness, this controls or has access to both levels and the fuel pump. Your auxiliary fuel pump, doing TA, we control that with that dude. Rear bulkhead, this has rain light, brake lights, and driveline fans. And that's it. Let me walk over here to another car that has all this already in it. See how it lays. So again, we're in the build process of this guy, but you can see how this all lays down the tranny tunnel. Goes in the back. Keypad plug. This car is an AIM dash, so it's a little bit different. There's a whole bunch of other cables and stuff that go through, that go to all this. But essentially, that is the majority of the loom. That's the heavy lifting part. Everything else is pretty straightforward. So anyway, hope you get the idea. Hope it makes sense. Got them on the shelf. Take me another 2 weeks probably at this pace to put the rest of the kit together. Talk to King about price. I'm not sure, it's a couple grand for sure, but anyway, there it is.